Hello guys, this is Rakesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to start click event in Angular. So this is my fifth video on Angular tutorial. So let's start with what is click event binding. So click event binding is you can say it's a one-way data binding. If I want to compare with click event and on click event, so they are same thing. Like click event also trigger data from one component to another component, that is called click event. Whenever we will use click event, you must have to use a parenthesis, like you can say these types, and here I will write click and some expression, that is called click event. So let's start with real project. So first of all, I'm going to create one properties for click event, so I will just write here properties name. Suppose that server, like so server I will use a boolean strongly type, and inside this server I will return true, right? So first of all, we have to create one method for click event, right? So I will create one method, like you can write any name. Change inside this method, I will call this value server, this properties, and I will change of this properties false, right? And I will save, and again I will go inside HTML file. Inside HTML we will create a button. Inside this button, first of all we will create button, and inside this button I will just use a bootstrap properties. Bootstrap, like you can use any button color, button types, and right here and just write click event, so in this button we will use click event. Inside this click event I will use of this method we have created, change, right? This method we will use inside this click event. Now I will save, and again go inside this. Now here you can see. So first of all, I will use inside h1 tag and write here properties name server, right? Inside this server, okay. Now here you can see server. So this, whenever we will click on this button, then you can see this value will be automatically changed, right? Now so this click event also trigger a data from one component to another component, that is called click event, okay. So this is a very basic thing. So let's say I want to give one example, one more example. So let's say let's see, suppose that I want to create one another method. Let's say suppose that I want to create one new properties, new server, right? New server name is like this is new server, right? This is new server, right? And inside I will create constructor. Inside this constructor I will use set timeout. I have already discussed about set timeout in previous lectures, property binding. So it is just a set of range of time, right? So I'm just using a set timeout. Inside the set timeout, I'm just using a arrow function. You can say a latest version of ES6, and I will call this new server equal to this is old server, right? This is an old server, right? And we can set time 5000. Okay, and again I will save, and these properties I will use inside HTML file, right? In h1 tag, paste, and now I will go shout. Then here you can see will automatically change. So behind this concept, let's use inside this button, right? So this change value I will use inside constructor. Okay, this dot change server. Okay, this dot change server. Now here you can see, then automatically change of this value. So this is a very basic things how to use angular click event. So thank you so much, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. It's this tutorial only for beginner, not for any experienced person, because in this tutorial we will only discuss about the basic concept of Angular. Okay, so thank you so much, thanks everyone.